Alright guys, we are live for another Mosaic retail mixer. We do have some more hangers coming in. We might do an all hanger break. Maybe we just kind of blow it out with the hangers and just see what kind of oranges we can get. Do a little bit more of expensive. I've been keeping these pretty cheap by not doing too many items at once, but I kind of feel like a big old hanger break would be fun, just like we did a big cello break a little bit ago. I feel like a big hanger one would be cool. So, but for now, we got 2 blasters, 2 hangers, and 3 cellos. So I'm gonna start opening this stuff because there's a fair amount of packaging to open. So people are filtering in here. So with the cellos, we got the 3 pink camos in the pack here on the back, and we get at least one other Mosaic parallel in the main pack. Excuse me. Alright, so let's get into it. Good luck, everybody. Thanks for another great fill. Not just on this, but on the mini helmet too. Kind of at a little bit of a dead spot where I'm waiting for limited to come in. Sunk some money into that, so I'm not quite sure what we'll do tomorrow yet. But Christian McCaffrey, Michael Pittman, Curtis Martin, Austin Eckler, Minka Fitzpatrick, Kurt Warner, Tua Tagovailoa, and first parallel is going to be Jalen Reagor green. Every parallel will be sleeved up. Emmett Smith will win. I'm just going to wait to do it afterwards so it doesn't take so long on the live here. Tyreek Hill, touchdown masters, Elijah Mitchell, rookie, and Jalen Darden, rookie. Kid Porter. Yeah, I'll get Playbook at some point. I just did not like the pre-order prices I was seeing, so I didn't pre-order any. Especially since Playbook can really be kind of rough if you get one of those memorabilia only booklets. Adrian Amos, still keeping an eye on contenders as well, but I won't pay a whole lot for contenders. Brian Urlacher, Gardner Minshew. Last year I got really screwed on contenders. Alvin Kamara, Derek Carr, Drew Brees, Baker Mayfield, Bobby Wagner for the Seahawks. No longer a Seahawk. Green. Ray Lewis will to win. Jalen Hurts got game. Trey Sermon rookie, and Jank Funk rookie. All right, not too much exciting out of these packs yet. Let's hope at least our pinks will be more exciting. Otis Anderson, Jerry Jeudy, Jimmy Garoppolo. I am told limited will actually ship tomorrow, which means I would actually get it Tuesday, a day before release. So we'll see about that. Randy Moss, Dak Prescott, Joe Montana, J.J. Watts, Curtis Martin green, nice parallel for that team. Nick Chubb will to win. Devin White got game. Sean Wright and a Jamar Chase. All right, we finally got a decent card here. Jamar Chase rookie. Unfortunately, some little hits on the surface there. I would not probably send that in for grading personally. I don't know. If everything else is good though, you might still get a decent grade. I'm not super good at centering on Mosaic right off the bat. I'm telling if it's well centered or not. Alright. Clyde Edwards-Helaire, pink. Rookie Kenneth Gainwell, pink. And a DK Metcalf, pink. Alright, let's get a nice rookie pink here, please. Devin Singletary, Dan Fouts, and a Trace Sermon. Ink. Not the right tray. Rip Murray Cooper, no longer a Cowboy. Stephon Gilmore, no longer a Patriot either. And Najee Harris pink. Alright, that's decent. That's a decent one there for you. Going on to the Steelers. Let's see. Steelers were Jason Mello. Alright, let's get into the hangers. We're looking for 4 reactive orange parallels here. There is the Rookie Variation Silver that's possible. I have not seen those. Do not know what they really look like. And then there's at least one Silver or Mosaic coming out as well. We did not get any super good oranges in the last few hangers, so let's hope that that changes today. Empty box. I just saw a picture of a orange reactive Jamar Chase, and just the jersey match color on that is really nice looking. Alright. Christian McCaffrey. Michael Pittman. Young Ho Koo. Barry Sanders. Chris Godwin. Malcolm Jenkins. Jeez. Charles Woodson. Deshaun Watson green. Sounds like might be your newest Panther. Alvin Kamara bang. Will to win. Kyler Murray. Our first orange is going to be Chris Godwin, who just got Brady back. Malcolm Jenkins again. Charles Woodson. And rookie Devonta Smith. Not bad. Not a bad one. Going on to the Eagles. Now let's see. Eagles out of the filler for Nicholas. Eagles always going to the filler these days. I've dropped the price down. Still just always go. Nick Chubb. Najee Harris, NFL debut. Alvin Kamara. Rookies, Cornell Powell. And Mike Strecken. Oh, and third one, Joe Tyron. Alright. Now we got a decent orange. Let's hope for another one here. Let's hope for a QB. I want to see one of these Rookie Variation Silver also. Empty box. I don't really know what to expect from that, what that looks like, but... Alright. Oh, crap. Just saw one of the oranges. It's the rookie, too. James Robinson. Myles Garrett. That's funny, I was just talking about it. Jimmy Garoppolo. Randy Moss. Leonard Fournette. And Kwity Paye. Silver. This is a rookie. I don't know if this is a variation or not. It is. Has the V on the back. So I'm not sure what the... Must be a different picture, I guess. But there you go, going to the Colts. Too bad Nathan didn't grab his Colts. Today it's going out to Daniel. He'll probably get it to Nathan anyway. T. Higgins, Mosaic. Kurt Warner, Hall of Fame. Got some extra parallels in here. Adam Thielen, Mosaic Touchdown Masters. Akeem Hicks. Larry Johnson. DeMarcus Lawrence. And Jamar Chase. Nice pink, or orange, rather. Going out to the Bengals. Rusty Hall. Alright, so we got some nice pinks, or oranges. Gosh, why do you keep calling them pinks? Aaron Rodgers. Calais Campbell. Patrick Mahomes. Justin Fields, NFL debut. That's something for you. And another Jamar Chase base. This is a Jamar Chase break so far. JOK rookie and Dynamite Brown. This one actually looks like it's in better condition than the other one, so I might be able to grade this one actually. Looks pretty clean surface-wise. Again, centering, I'm not sure. So Rusty having a nice one. Nice break here. We got a Fields out to the Bears. Bears going to be Mike. And your silver variation out to the Colts. And Daniel Kirk. Alright, now it's time for our blasters. Now these have the biggest potential of the entire break. We can get autographs. We can also get chase hits, Genesis, that kind of thing, Masquerade Ballers. We get 4 Mosaic Parallels at bare minimum, though. Alright. Let's get into it. Definitely want to see an auto come out at some point. We've got 4 more blasters in stock. So, hopefully at some point we do see an auto come out. Or better yet, a case hit. Alright. Oh, just flashed that one on the back. Let's go ahead and pull it. Nice Justin Fields base. It's looking pretty clean as well. Maybe a print line right there. Very minor print line. Very faded. Come here, sleeve. Would you get in my hand? So there you go, Mike. Got you a better Fields rookie. So the debut. We'll see if there's any color in here for you as well. Alright. CeeDee Lamb. Marshawn Lattimore. Green, Cam Akers. Josh Allen. Kid Reporter. Travis Kelce. Mike Evans. Bang, Drew Brees. Micah Parsons, rookie. We'll sleeve that up. Rookie of the year. Roquan Smith. Justin Jefferson. Kyle Trask green. Not bad there for you, Wendy. Jason Taylor with a nasty print line. Kid Reporter. David Johnson. Jerry Rice. And Hall of Fame Tim Brown. Well, not sure what to do about Kyle Trask anymore. Not that it was all that clear before Brady unretired, but yeah, I'm not going to mess with that anymore. I don't want to scratch the card, but I'm pretty sure that'll wipe off. Actually, need to restock my sleeves. 1 second. Alright, so nice Parsons here out to the Cowboys. And that's Tyler Davis and his PC. Alright, let's finish off this blaster. Not really been keeping track of how many parallels we got out of the blaster. Let's hope that there's something cool left in here. I have not seen any honeycombs come out either. Those are possible in some of the stuff. I'm not sure if it's specific to one product or not, but Dak Prescott, Fred Warner. Oh, what is this? CeeDee Lamb. Is it just an orange? Regular orange? 11 out of 25. That might be a gold fluorescent or something like that. Nice one there. See, these blasters can be pretty Pretty good. Definitely your number one receiver now that Amari's gone. Nice, crazy short print out of a blaster out of 25 to the Cowboys. Tyler Davis. Very nice. Kirk Cousins. Kid Reporter. DJ Shark. Leonard Floyd. Cam Akers got game. Gary Brightwell. Jeff Okuda. Miles Sanders. Tom Brady. This one's to the Patriots, though. Tom Brady, Super Bowl MVPs, Mosaic. Is that from Super Bowl? I'm trying to read the sideways logo here. Super Bowl 36, looks like. So there you go. Was it Les that got him this time? Yep, Les. That should, I would think that would cover your spot cost at the bare minimum. Gosh, there's something actually I want to display. This has been a pretty good break so far. And we're going to go and sleeve this guy up too. Jalen Waddle, base rookie. Maybe a little bit of a scratch underneath the Mosaic logo. Really? You mean that parallel or that same card, that same CD? Out of a cello. I haven't seen anything like that going out of a cello. That's pretty cool though. Kid Reporter. J.K. Dobbins. Fred Blinkenkoff. Tom Brady will to win. And at Tutu Atwell, rookie. We're going to go and sleeve up this other Brady. This one's for the Bucks and Wendy. Alright, last blaster. Last chance for an auto. Or Genesis or Masquerade Ballers. Case it. Huh. I wonder how many cases they have. I need to figure out what that's actually called. Right. At first I thought maybe it was a honeycomb, but it's not. Alright, good luck everybody on this last blaster of the break. Alright, Joe Mixon. Byron Jones, orange fluorescent. Okay. That's kind of what I was thinking. Jalen Darden, green. To the Bucks. Drew Brees. Kid Reporter. Dwight Freeney. Deontay Johnson. Herbert, touchdown masters to the Chargers. Davis Mills, base rookie. Melvin Gordon. Keenan Allen. Ezekiel Elliott, green. Getting some love for the Cowboys here. Kurt Warner. Kid Reporter. J.J. Watt. Sammy Darnold. Alvin Kamara, touchdown masters. And Jamin Davis, rookie. Alright, little Davis Mills action out to the Texans. Chris Starnes. I don't think we've actually seen very much David Mills come out of Mosaic, and I think we've had Scott and Danny trying to get some, and just haven't seen any. A green Mosaic to the Chargers. And that's going to be Nicholas. Alright, last 4 packs. Last 4 were the best out of the last blaster. Let's hope that holds true. Oh, we have one of those die cuts. We have one of those like super rare die cuts too. Dang. Wonder who it's going to be. I'll have to find out. Blasters have been dang good. Unless George opened quite a bit of this stuff for himself and he hit one of those die cuts and he hit a Masquerade Ballers case hit. It's like those die cuts remind me of older Prism. Marlon Humphrey, Miles Gaskin, Marcus Allen, Mosaic. Got something else interesting in here. Rashad Bateman, Kid Reporter. Drew Lock, James Harrison, Aaron Jones, Bang, Des Fitzpatrick, Kyler Murray, Darren Waller, Terrell Davis, Green, the Broncos. Maybe that's just the bottom of the die cut that I'm seeing. Tua Tagovailoa. I need to start playing music through my headset so it doesn't stop shutting off automatically. Kid Reporter, Plaxico Burress, and it is the die cuts. Walter Payton. That's the Hall of Fame bust. LaDainian Tomlinson and Chris Evans. So that blaster was actually kind of a dud outside of this. Man, that is a serious die cut action. That's going out to the Bears. Bears also having a good break. We want to break this thing. Another one here from Mike. Alright, there you go. Alright, let's run a recap. It's been a pretty solid break. Some very nice stuff coming out. We still haven't seen an auto come out though. Or a Genesis. I have never pulled a Genesis. I really want to. Alright, we got plenty more Mosaic parallels that we're going to sleeve later, but these are the big ones. We got a Herbert Green, Davis Mills base, Tom Brady base, Jalen Waddle base, Justin Fields base, Kwity Paye silver variation, Micah Parsons base, Kyle Trask green, Justin Fields NFL debut, Jamar Chase base. We actually got two of those. Walter Payton silver die cut, Jamar Chase orange, Tom Brady mosaic, Najee Harris pink, Devonta Smith orange, and CeeDee Lamb. It's not orange for fluorescent because that's what comes out of the hangers, but not quite sure what this is. 11 out of 25, super short print there for the Cowboys. All right, guys, that's another Mosaic break. Pretty nice one there. Stained glass. I have not seen a stained glass yet either. I would love to see one of those. I have not seen a stained glass since like the older stuff. Alright guys, thanks for the fill on that. If you're in the mini helmet, stay tuned. I'm going to go live with that here in just a minute. Thanks again for the fill, and I will see you guys tomorrow.